Hey guys, how's it going? So, more recently than not, I uploaded a short video with some homemade booster packs, and these things you can basically print off at home, and you can just put your own cards in and sell them on. So, obviously, the actual design on these are for my game, but I do have a template somewhere which I will upload towards the end of this video, where you can download the template and use it for yourself. Now, these are the booster packs which I've made. It's taken me many months to create this style of booster packs, and it's a little bit different than how a lot of people tend to make them, where they just, you know, fold the back over and create like your standard, like with the rippled edges and stuff like that. So before going into, I'll show you how they work first. So that's the design. Obviously you can change everything. There's two ways you can open it. You can either put your thumb under this little gap here and rip it up, or you can use this funky little tear here button, depending on how you make your booster packs, and you can rip it off. I had my thumb on there then, which is why I didn't rip up all the way. But yeah, and then obviously you get into the booster pack, and there's your cards. So they do hold about 8 cards per pack. The quality, I'll show you what paper we're using a bit. So this is like a very thick paper or a thin card. So it's thin enough for you to crease, score and crease the card around. But the quality on that comes out really, really nice. Obviously I will show you the printer and stuff like that. So if you wanted to open it from the bottom, you would just put your thumb under there and rip the top off. Got a nice little perforated edge across the top. And then you can just pull the cards out like that. A handful more cards. Got 2 more packs to open. Which one shall we do? Should we try it this way? A bit more tricky. You just get your nail under there just to scoop the rest of it off. So I think it's a very interesting design. Again, like I said, it's something different to your standard whole go-to way of making booster packs for your game. So yeah, let me know what you think of that design, and I'll put a how-to video up soon on how you can print and create your own little booster packs like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.